Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks and new camera. Hopefully it looks much better than the videos previous to this. This is our first time trying it and we'll see how this goes. We've got a lot to learn about this thing and hopefully we can do it quickly because we spent a lot of time on this already. So today we've got one of our favorite boxes coming up, and the delivery of this was a little odd. It came in a giant Walmart box, and then inside there were two other packages plus a Bibbidi box. So I'm assuming that what they decided to give us wouldn't fit in any of their boxes, so they just kind of, well, let me show you what I've got going on here. We've got 1, 2, 3. So 3 things. All this is coming up right now. Alright, so we're going to start with whatever this is. It's Steamboat Willie! Popcorn bucket. I don't know how to... Oh, I almost ripped it apart. It opens in the back. Don't pull the hat off, that's not how that works. Very cute. And the... Oh! Look at the strap's got little handsies on it. Well, that's cool. So this is, I forgot to mention earlier, this is the Ultimate Magic Box, and this is Maze Box. Even though we are well into June now, I knew that they had had trouble with some of their shipping. I'll put a better picture in the photo box. Boop. Hopefully something just showed up, because we are really struggling with the new camera and the photo box. I don't know why yet. Not sure if we're trying to take pictures too close, or if it's way too bright, or what the problem is, but it doesn't seem to want to focus. So if something showed up, it may be the new camera, or it may be the iPhone picture, or maybe there's nothing and I'm just waving at you with my finger. So, alright, popcorn bucket, check. Next, brown box. I like brown boxes. Aww. It's a honey pot. It's really a honey pot. Look at that. Well, that's cute. Don't you think? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mary is a fan. That is super cute. Hopefully I can... Boop. I think I'm getting shadow. Ah! It was... The popcorn bucket. Still learning. Sorry. Alright. Did I finish explaining the box? All of this, I think, together is the Ultimate Magic Box at $119 and like $6 shipping. Alright, so this is still pretty heavy, and we already have 2 cool things. Alright. Let's see if this new camera makes that cool noise too when I open a box. Did it work? Alright. Wow, you know what? Okay. I'll get it one of these days. So, I'll put a boop. Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, grab a Dole Whip before the show. On the back, boop. Tells you to share a photo or a video, and your box was created with love by A2+1+2 box. I don't know what that means, but MBK is the one that curated it. That's cute. Spoiler sheet. Oh, the spoiler sheet's cuter this month than normal. I mean, not that it's not cute, but that's just very vibrant. we'll take a look at that later. Inside the box, got some, we'll go lavender. No, is that?
Burgundy.
Magenta? No, I don't know.
Purple.
Got purple with a Bibbidi sticker. Alright, ready? Oh, there's a big Jim Shore box in here. Alright. I don't know. I almost went in my mouth. I don't know how well the new camera is going to pick these up, so I guess we'll find out. Not a ton in here because this box, the Jim Shore box, is huge. But there's a fair amount. All right. Whoa, I almost dropped it. We have got Pirate's Rum Candle from Wishes Candle Company. We've gotten one of these before. It was a birthday cake one, and these are the candles that have a pin inside. So that's cool. Oh, it's got red glitter on top. I hope I don't snort some glitter. Wow. Smell that. Smells pretty good. Very cool. And I believe the last thing we have is a big old Jim Shore. I lied again. I remember getting one of these with a different box company. It's just not... I think I need to just specify, I guess, on our preferences, because you can really hone these in and make sure that you get stuff that you like. It's just a bracelet, and I'm not sure. Well, I'm sure on the spoiler sheet it'll say what it cost, but not quite really our thing. But not their fault, because I believe we have bracelets in our preferences, you know, like for Alex and Ani and stuff like that. But I guess I'll just specify that we don't really look forward to those. Not that it's a bad product, it's just not our style. So that's on me. All right. Last but not least, Jim Shore time. Oh my God. Look at how amazing that is. Holy cow. That is... I think I even have this selected on my wish list at Magic at Your Door, so I'll have to go in there and update that. Although maybe 2 of them wouldn't be a bad thing. Look at how amazing that is. He's hiding some flowers behind his back, giving Minnie some Valentines. I love the black and white. I love the pattern that they did everywhere. Holy cow. Let me put a really good picture of that up there for you. Sorry, that's so cool. Thank you very much, Bibbidi. That is Dale. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna mess with focus, I bet. Oh yeah. Well, that's awesome. All right, kind of speechless on that one. So let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. So I will put up there for you to read it. Winnie the Pooh Honey Pot, $20. This little bit of amazingness right here is only $55. That's pretty big for $55 from Jim Shore. That's pretty cool. Wishes Candle, $20. Buckle Down Drawstring Bracelet, $8. So even though I wasn't thrilled with it, it didn't really hit the bottom line too bad. Popcorn bucket, 30 bucks. Popcorn buckets are 30 bucks. So the total, $132.94. Like I said earlier, we paid $119 plus $6 shipping. So even if you take the bracelet off, we nailed it. Very good job, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. I really appreciate it. We definitely recommend Bibbidi. We do not have a promo code for them yet. Hopefully next time they open that up in their company, they will give us a shot at that. And so that we can start saving you some money on their boxes as well. Alright, so if you watched the video from a couple days ago, we're doing another video. We did give away the Dooney and Burke purse already. Congratulations again, Brittany. The new giveaway is boop, boop, these two items from Minnie Mouse Main Attraction Tiki Room. That was a lot of words. Minnie Mouse Main Attraction Tiki Room. If you would like to be a part of that drawing, you still have the opportunity. I will put the video up here when I'm done, so you can click on it. It is a really good giveaway, and you've got about a week and a half before that one is up, and we're going to do the drawing for it. So if you'd like to take a look at that video, click the button right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, that would help us out a lot. Click the button right here. Hope you are having a great day.